Lecture number 9, Genetic Code. Last period we have studied how genetic code is formed. What is definition of genetic code? What are codons? What are anticodons? Then codons, there are 64 codons total. Out of this, 61 codons are called as sense codons and 4 codons are called as signal codons. Signal codons are of two types. Start codon, there is only one start codon and it is always a codon which will code for the amino acid methionine. So codon which codes for amino acid methionine, it is used as, always used as start codon. There are 3 codons which are used as stop codons. It will give signal to stop the amino acid chain or protein chain. A, G, U, C are the bases: adenine, guanine, uracil and cytosine. These are 4 bases which are used to form the codons. These codons are present in genes of DNA molecule. These genes and code system or codons are transferred in definite sequences from DNA to messenger RNA. These codons or sequences of bases are present in messenger RNA, and according to these bases or codons, sequence of codons, one after another amino acids comes and forms the chain of amino acid in definite sequences. These sequence of amino acids are arranged according to the sequences of bases present in messenger RNA, and they will form a bunch of codons, and this each codon will code for different amino acids one after another, and they will form the chain of amino acid which is called as protein. So genetic code is a bunch of codon present in messenger RNA. Bunch of codons. These codons are formed from definite sequences of bases. So sequences of bases is called as genetic code. So what are the characters of genetic code? How it is formed? How genetic code works? So nature of genetic code. What is nature of genetic code? Means what is the characters of genetic code? Means what are the properties of genetic codes? Means how genetic code will function in the cell. How, according to genetic code, how amino acids are come in definite sequences to form the specific type of protein. So there are some properties or characters of genetic code. Genetic code is formed from, each genetic codon is formed from 3 bases. Means 3 bases are used to form a single codon, and this single codon will code for single amino acid. So when single codon is released by messenger RNA, then amino acid having the anticode of this released codon will come and join the sequence of amino acid to form a protein. So genetic code is triplet, means each genetic codon is formed from 3 bases. Triplet. Genetic code is universal, means genetic code is present in man, animal, cells or any living organism. Any living organism will have a genetic code which is formed from, each codon is formed from 3 bases. Genetic code is universal. This code is present in every living organism, and 20 kinds of amino acids are present in every living organism. Then third is genetic code is commaless, means their base sequences are arranged in messenger RNA and they have no comma full stop, means one after the another base sequences are present. If any base is deleted from the sequence, it will change whole base genetic code of that living organism, and amino acid whole code system of that genetic code will be changed if one base is deleted from the sequence, and it will not have comma or full stop, means that whole codon of 3 bases are not affected. One base is deleted means whole genetic code will be changed. So genetic code is commaless. Genetic code is non-overlapping, means these bases, when they code, they will code one after the another. A single code is formed from 3 bases. Each base will come in a single codon. Each base does not overlap with another codon. In the sequence of bases, each base will work in single codon only. It will not overlap with any other codon. Then genetic code is ambiguous. Ambiguous means each 64 codons have their own functions. Each codon will code for only one amino acid. Each codon does not code for more than one amino acid. So single codon work for or code for only one amino acid. Then sixth property is genetic code is degenerate. Degenerate means any amino acids out of 20 amino acids, they may have different number of codons for themselves. Means any amino acid may have 3 codons, one amino acid. One amino acid may have only one codon. Any amino acid, some amino acid may have 3 codons, some may have 4 codons. In this way, there are different number of codons for every amino acid. So one amino acid may have many codons. Genetic code has polarity, means when the bases are arranged in the genetic code A, G, U, C, A, G, U, in this way. Then genetic code always is written in 3-5 direction in this way. Genetic code is read in 5-3 direction, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Genetic code is written in 5-3 direction in this way, means GAU, AUG. In this way it is written. And anticode is written and read in 3-5 direction, means anticode is written in this direction, UCA or AGU. It is read and written in 3-5 direction. Anticode is written in 3-5 direction, and codon is written in 5-3 direction. So genetic code has polarity, means writing and reading of genetic code has a definite direction. So it has polarity. So these are the 7 characters or properties of genetic code. Genetic code each genetic code has 3 bases, means genetic code is triplet. Genetic code is universal, means genetic code is present in all living organisms. Genetic code is commaless, means a sequence of bases are there, and according to the bases, 3 bases will code for amino acid, one after another, and there is no comma between the bases, or there is no definite direction that these 3 bases are having one code. Means if one base is deleted, by deleting one base, other sequence will work as code system after deleting one base also. So it has no comma, full stop. Then genetic code is non-overlapping, means in the genetic code sequence of bases are there, and one base will come in only single codon, means one base in the sequence will not work in 2 or 3 codons. Then genetic code is ambiguous, means single codon will code for only one amino acid. Each and every codon will code for only one amino acid. It will not code for many amino acids or 2 amino acids. Then genetic code is degenerate, means any amino acid may have more than one genetic codon. They may have 2 codons, 3 codons. So single amino acid may have many codons. Then genetic code has polarity, means genetic code is written and read in definite direction. So codon is read in 5-3 direction, and anticodon